The CEO of Ecco, Martin James, is appealing to authorities across the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States to ensure that broadcasters comply with copyright laws. The organization's 14th annual general meeting, scheduled for May 17th at its souci headquarters, will see St. Lucian members attending, while members of other territories will join the meeting online.
Ecco still has some major challenges with our broadcasters across the OECS. I think every time I speak, you hear this, and I will keep reiterating, and we need the authorities across the OECS to ensure that the laws of the respective territories are adhered to. So we have some major challenges with compliance.
James urged individuals to ensure that they acquire the rights from the organization for public usage of creative materials.
We need persons to be mindful that it is very important, and it is the law that you obtain the rights to broadcast any creative's work. It is the law. So please, we are encouraging users to ensure that they get the clearances from Ecco and clearances for copyright usage in public. Please, we are encouraging you, and we are asking again that the authorities work in sync with us to ensure that all those laws and rights are not infringed upon.
4 vacancies for the board of directors are also open for election at the meeting.
As you know, Ecco represents composers, authors, and publishers of music. That is the category of membership that we represent. On Saturday, we will be filling up 4 vacancies. 1 vacancy from Grenada, where the members from Grenada would vote for a member, a suitable member to serve them on the board of directors, as well as 3 members from St. Lucia on Saturday as well. So we have 4 vacancies, and we expect to fill those vacancies.
The CEO stressed the importance of OECS members attending the meeting to empower the board to advocate on their behalf.
I want to encourage the entire membership, and that is from across the OECS. So all of our members from Antigua, from Dominica, from Grenada, from St. Kitts and Nevis, from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, as well as St. Lucia, you are encouraged to please come to the AGM on Saturday. We start pronto at 10 a.m. We start. Last year, we had an open session where we invited some guest speakers. This year, we are going straight, and we're delving straight into the business as soon as we start. Give you all the information that you need. Please come and take in that information. We need all our members to come and hear what your organization have been doing for you.
The chairman's, auditors, and CEO's overview and reports are also key features at Ecco's 2025 annual general meeting. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.